Hi everyone, I'm Cody W3AMG with BridgeCom Systems, and today we're going to be showing you how to utilize the NOAA weather channels on your BridgeCom Maverick radio. So one of the really cool things about this Maverick radio is the weather channels are actually totally built in. So you don't have to do any programming. You can take the radio right out of the box and utilize them. So let's go ahead and dive right in. It's real simple. Just go to the main menu here, click on menu, and scroll down until you see NOAA. So there it is. We'll go ahead and select that. Now there's a variety of options here on how we want to set this up. So we'll go through them. First you have NOAA, which this is just your on-off switch. So as soon as you turn that on, it goes ahead and turns that on however you have it set up.
Pressure was 30.14 inches and rising around Kansas City.
So we're going to leave that off for now. And then down below that, you have NOAA channel. So this, if you want to manually select one of the channels, let's say you're in an area like your home, for example, and you know what channel is the strongest. You may want to select this, that way the radio doesn't ever search for a different channel, and you always have it set on that same channel. That's an option. Now personally, I like to let the radio do the job scanning. It does a great job with it, so I typically just leave that alone. And then we can go down here. This is your monitor. So if you click on this, that's going to basically monitor all the time. So you're always going to be getting a signal versus, let's say, just getting alerts. So the way I like to use this, I like to have that on. So we'll go ahead and turn that on. And then one more, we scroll down here, and this is scan. So if we haven't manually selected our channel, or we want to figure out what is the channel in our area, we can go ahead and turn this on. So scan, I'm going to turn that on. And that's all we have. So at this point we're set up, we're ready to go. All we have to do now is just either turn this on and off from this menu. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. And now we are actively scanning. Now we're not going to be able to get any reception here in the studio, but you can see what this looks like. And if we back out to the main menu here, you can also see on your radio, on your home screen, it shows that it's scanning. How cool is that? So this is a really great feature, especially if you live out in the Midwest like we do. It's really nice to be able to keep track of the weather and hear any of those emergency alerts coming through from anywhere with your radio. Hope this helps.